exciting episode, well, crazy episode of Extreme Exotic Rips, though. We are back. Alright, welcome to another exciting episode of Extreme Exotic Whips. Here is the continuation and the madness as far as what's going on. Got one of the mechanics right here. Yeah, he's putting in the man hours of making this possible, though. Don't worry, his Instagram is going to be in the descriptions below, as well as his other mechanic. He's down there, though. But let's take a look at this masterpiece. Well, it's about to come out, finally.
Where'd you put the hammer?
Alright, so here we go. We have this contraption right here. So this is hoisted. So this is turned with this, and then we're gonna actually see where this thing blew up at, though, because one side of this motor was alright, but then this side got messed up, though. But we'll probably see the extent of the damage later on, or maybe sooner than later.
Think that goes in?
Who knows?
This
But this gotta get fixed.
You gotta go in, because this is
Like I said from the last video,
rubber?
yeah,
this alternator and this
belt
belt has to come off. The AC compressor has to come off. Anything that is useful needs to be kept. Oh, and I heard more news about the wiring. So that's all this stuff right here. Like, I don't know what
bro, the bolts
they did.
are right there, bro. What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't know how they wired this, though.
Bro,
so
what the fuck you doing?
Everything was discombobulated. Discombobulated right here. Gotta go back to the stock set of battery so we can put this back.
Check it, nigga.
Other than that, like, everything is good so far, but just gotta
I'm so fucking fat, nigga.
get this out, though. Help him. Help him out. Oh, good. You have made it.
Alright.
I wonder if there's a way to get that line out the door. Probably is. I'm not 100% sure. It's a small.
See these two screws there?
It's a small ass line. You gotta give him some time, bro. Race car life.
Yeah.
Yeah, but all this wiring, though.
What happened? Kind of in the way of that plate.
I don't even understand.
What do you mean?
They did.
You can't get to it?
Let me see. I need a small extension.
Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Almost up to the inner stages of this bad boy coming out. I look like it's almost ready to come out, though. I don't know where I blew it up at, but yeah. I'm just curious to see what's underneath this thing. There goes my, what's that, the oil filter right there.
Nothing?
Do it in. Wrong way. Breaker bar.
I can barely see up there. It's mad dark. I'll try to take a look for you guys. Oh, look at this. Nothing but dust and rust. And what the hell? I didn't know it was that bad, though. Damn. All this shit gotta come out. Yo, all this stuff gotta come out. Yo, look at this shit.
Mozzarella says when to my eye. Put me up.
Man down. Man down. Okay, and now we are underneath. And the only thing that's holding us up is this right here. Hold on. If I can get that. For y'all guys, see, that's the thing that's holding it up right there. Drivetrain's already pulled out. Yeah. So it's almost out, but something's holding it. I don't even know exactly what it is.
There you go.
Somewhere up there. Oh, even brighter light. Thanks.
And an extra charge, we charge it later. Really. Fuck.
Yeah, so this is
Bro,
the
it's burning my fucking eye.
this is the thing that's holding it. Yeah, wait there, this
Yo,
shit.
chainsaw, right? It's outside.
Fuck.
Imagine you sitting here, somebody come from outside, take all the chainsaws.
Yeah.
Look.
But look at this
Got
Rust
that
Central though.
chainsaw?
Oh, this is Rust Central. Look at that. Rust Central. Never seen
Trying
something.
to get out.
Wait, that's the thing I'm trying to look for. Where is it?
Big black bracket under the transmission.
Fuck. What the fuck is that? Oh, this shit right here?
Look, in. There's two bolts inside.
Wait, hold on. Oh, shit. Think I'm looking at it right now.
Pulling it like that is not gonna come out.
Sure.
It's not gonna come out. We don't have no leverage. If the car was high up,
Oh shit.
so what we do, everything.
Sun's moving.
It went up like an inch.
I was just scared. I don't know if the sway bar is gonna last or it's gonna snap.
The sway bar is not gonna snap. The rope will probably
rope probably
snap.
snap.
Oh, sway bar's not gonna snap. All right, so
Why? You think the sway bar is?
I think that should. Now the whole car's lifting. Okay, this is what y'all wanted. Okay.
What's
Okay,
that?
that's enough.
that's don't get in a car yet.
I'm not under.
How high is it?
This side is not up.
Whichever side is up.
The other side is a little more up. You could probably hit one bracket up.
Okay, wow. And a little rope is doing all of this. Amazing. The power of his mouse. Okay, cool.
Got it up.
That's the highest we can go.
You could go another higher, but
Yeah, leave that like that. Let me go higher.
how's the sway bar?
It's bent. No, I'm fucking with you.
Alright. Oh wow, the car is
We're gonna go more higher.
Lit. That's fine. You gotta lift the jack thing over there.
Oh, hold on. That's what the hell that was.
Lift that jack.
Lift that jack.
What jack?
The thing inside the jack.
What? I don't know where you put it, so I don't wanna like.
It's on the car.
Wait, on the other side. You see it?
He's rocking. Look at Alex's face.
There's so much to look at now.
Oh man. Guide me. Right
Wait,
there.
There you go.
Alright. Alright. Nice and flush, baby.
That's what I told you. Old school trick always work.
Yeah, old school trick with an old school rope.
Man, nigga, the rope is holding. I can guarantee I can tie you with that rope and you don't go nowhere.
Yeah, it'll hold me. If you could hold 3,000 pounds.
I think you're just lifting from the motor.
No, it's not lifting from the motor. Look. See? It's not lifting from the motor. It's not lifting from the motor, bro.
Oh shit.
It's lifting from that rope.
Bring it down.
The whole car or just that rope? Let's go a little bit more high. Let's see when it drops. So we know how much the rope can handle.
Oh shit. Look at this guy.
There you go.
See?
That's holding it really good.
Alright.
Alright, it's
So
high.
which one is easier, Alex? Go jack by jack or this one? Mother, you don't play.
Alright. I know. Before y'all even say anything, I know it's another day. And Was there for like about like what's that, two hours, maybe 2-3 hours, trying to peel that back, trying to okay, who was there for for maybe like 2 hours or something like that, maybe 2-3 hours, and then we trying to pull that bad boy out, and still couldn't get that motor out though. I don't know what was going on. Like, we was having like a very hard time, and it's gonna come out today. It's gonna come out today. It's just that last night, I thought last night was the night, and like the motor is out, but as far as the transmission part, the transmission is a thing that's kind of holding it in, and it was something about like a few brackets. I'm not sure if I had a chance to actually film clearly so y'all be able to see that, but yeah, so that's the thing that was like kind of messing us up. So little small postpone as far as with that though, but you will see the Z though. Color, everything's gonna be different. The top still gonna be black, you know. That red is gonna go. We're gonna still gonna be some red in it though, but the main color is gonna be blue, red, and probably something else though. Oh yeah. On that note, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely be seeing y'all in the next video, and also more super content coming your way.